everyone, welcome to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Omegle application on your iPhone. To download Omegle for iOS devices, simply go and open up a web browser first from your iOS device. Go to the URL box and type in omegle.com and perform your search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this official site of omegle.com. From this page, simply tap on the share icon at the bottom of your iOS device and swipe a little up and tap on add to home screen. Now in this page, you can also add your app's name as preferred, or if you don't want to do that, simply tap add at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to download Omegle application for your iPhone as well. How to download Omegle application for your Android phone. To download Omegle application on your Android, first open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in omegle.onl/download. Once you type in the URL, tap on go at the bottom right or perform your search and you'll end up in this page. Scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see a link that says download APK file. Give it a tap. In order to download Omegle for your Android, tap on download anyway in the pop-up and wait for your APK file to download. Once the download is completed, tap on open. It'll ask you if you want to install the application for your Android. Tap on install from the pop-up and wait until the installation is completed. As soon as the app gets installed, tap on open to launch the app open. How to open an Omegle account. If you're looking for a new way to make friends online, then you've landed in the right place. Omegle is a free anonymous video chat site that randomly connects you to new people you can chat with based on shared interests. First, open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, all you need to do is to type www.omegle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site of Omegle. Getting started with Omegle is quite easy. All you need for basic is an internet connection and of course type in omegle.com into the web address bar and you'll be right in. There's no need to open an account for Omegle. But before you begin using Omegle, make sure that you are over 13 years old. You will not spread obscene material or use Omegle to harass other users, and you will not behave in any way that is illegal. Once you are ready to use Omegle, all you need to do is go and add your interest in the text box and select whether you want to start chatting with random strangers via text or make a video call. Picking the text option lets you chat with a stranger via text, while the video will allow the stranger to see your images and hear your voices. Select your preference and give it a click to start chatting. That is how you can easily start off with Omegle.com. How to log in Omegle. If you want to log into your Omegle account and start talking to a stranger, before logging into Omegle, the first thing that you should know is that Omegle is a free online chat room where random strangers can anonymously meet from around the world. You don't need to register for the account or you don't have to log into an account in order to access Omegle.com. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser, or you can also open up Omegle application on your smartphone in order to get access to Omegle. As soon as you open up a web browser, simply type in the URL for Omegle, that is www.omegle.com, and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the official site of Omegle, which looks like this. Once you're inside this page, all you have to do is start chatting instantly with strangers. Right where it says start chatting, select your language from the drop down, and soon after you do that, select if you want to have a text or a video chat. If you choose text, then you can easily chat with random strangers via text messages. In the pop-up, make sure that you are 18 years and above by clicking on this little box at the top, and also check the second box in order to review and agree to the bound by Omegle's terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, click on confirm and continue and you'll be taken to this page where you might need to prove that you are a human being and not a robot. Check this little box at the bottom left and you'll be able to see that you have started a chat with a stranger. How to change language on Omegle. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.omegle.com. and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Omegle, which looks like this, go ahead and select the language from the drop down, and from the list, select the language that you prefer. Now, you'll be able to see the language of your Omegle change right away. How to change country on Omegle. Let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.omegle.com in the search box and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the official website of Omegle, which looks like this. Scroll down and go ahead and select your chatting methods, whether it is text or video, and give it a click. You need to go ahead and check these two boxes in the pop-up and click on confirm and continue. Now, in order to change your country on Omegle, go ahead and click on this little drop down at the top right hand corner. Select the country's language that you would want to change to, and you'll be able to see that you've selected a different language right away. You can go ahead and choose your language according to your region or your location, and that's how you can easily change your country on Omegle. How to skip on Omegle. Open up your web browser to get started, and now open up your Omegle website by typing in www.omegle.com. Press enter on your keyboard in order to reach to the official site of Omegle. Now go ahead and select the chat option that you would like to use, whether it is text or video, and make your selection by clicking on the option. Check the boxes in the pop-up and click on confirm and continue. Now, if you're having a chat going on and you'd like to skip the chat, then simply click on the stop button at the bottom left. Click on the button one more time in order to skip a particular chat. Now, you can start off with a new chat by clicking on the new button at the bottom left, and it'll connect you to a new chat. That is how you can easily skip an ongoing match on Omegle.com. How to view past conversations on Omegle. When a conversation is completed on Omegle, or one of you have disconnected the conversation, both the parties will have an option to save the log. Once you click on the link that says get a link over here right next to save the log, you'll be able to see that you've taken to a new tab. Click on send anyway, and Omegle will give you this log ID number and the URL. You'll need to have this URL in order to access your Omegle chats from now on. Or you can also click on this download link at the top and download it on your computer right away. Whenever you want to view old chats, whenever you want to see your previous chat, all you need to do is to either paste in the URL or simply go ahead and open up your downloads that you previously downloaded from Omegle. You'll be able to see all of your chats that you've saved till date. That is how you can view your past conversations on Omegle.com, but make sure that you'll only be able to view the conversation if you've saved the log after finishing off a conversation with a stranger. How to report someone on Omegle. Omegle is a popular video chat platform where you can chat with random strangers anonymously. With the anonymous feature, you might walk through a certain risk, like someone abusing community guidelines. If you want to find a way how you can easily report someone on Omegle, then the truth is, you cannot do so. The only thing you can do is to simply send an email about the issue to privacy@omegle.com, and into the subject text box, type in Omegle-privacy. Enter the information about the issue to the privacy@omegle.com and click the send button in order to contact them with the issue. Or you can simply leave a chat in order to get out of the situation. If you want to get out of a chat, then you can simply click on this stop or the escape icon at the bottom left, and when it asks really, click on the button. That is how you can easily disconnect if you are being abused on Omegle. That is the only thing you can do. Sadly, there is no option to report to a person on Omegle, since Omegle does not require any kind of a personal information while operating the platform. How to share your screen on Omegle. To share your screen on Omegle, the first thing to do is to go download OBS Studio. In my case, I've already downloaded the OBS Studio. I'm currently recording this video with it. If you've not downloaded the app yet, simply go and open up a web browser. In the search box, search for OBS Studio, download, and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the first link that says download OBS Studio, and from the official web page of OBS, scroll down and select one of the downloads options. Once you download OBS Studio in your computer, the next thing to do is to download the OBS virtual camera as well. from your web browser, type in OBS Virtual Camera and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the first link that says OBS Virtual Cam, and this will take you to a website where you can easily download the plugin called OBS Virtual Cam. Click on the Go to Download link right next to the option, and once the download is completed, click on Open File, and now install OBS Virtual Cam on your computer. Finish up the setup process. Select the number of virtual camera in order to register and click Install. Once the installation has been completed, go and open up your OBS Studio app, and once you open it up, at the top of the screen, click on Tools. Now you'll be able to see the Virtual Cam option popping up. Give it a click, and in the pop-up where it says Target Camera, select one of the options, whether you would like to select Camera 2 or Camera 1. In my case, I've added only 2 cameras, so let me click on any one over here between 1 and 2, and now click on Start. You can close this pop-up now and go open up a web browser. Go to the Omegle official website, type in omegle.com into your search bar and press enter. From the official web page, scroll down and start your video chat. Once you end up in the official web page, click on the video option at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on both of the boxes and click on Confirm and Continue. Once you are inside the video chat, go and click on the camera icon at the top right and click Manage. Scroll down and under All Permissions, click on Camera. Click the drop down right next to Camera and select OBS Virtual Camera. Once you make this selection, refresh your Omegle.com web page one more time, and you'll be able to share your screen right where your camera is popping up right now. How to add filter on Omegle. If you want to use a filter on your Omegle video chat, then the first thing to do is to download Snap Camera on your desktop. Go and open up a web browser and type in snapcamera.snapchat.com and press enter on your keyboard. Download the application on your desktop or your laptop by clicking on the download button. Agree to the terms and conditions of Snap Camera at the bottom and enter an email address if you want to receive marketing emails about Snap Camera as well as other Snap products and services. If not, simply click on this I'm not a robot, and once you do that, you'll be able to see 2 options. You can download the application for your Mac or for your PC. In my case, I'm using my PC, so let me click on this option. Now simply download the application by following the on-screen prompts and install Snap Camera on your PC. Click on Open File right under Snap Camera link. Go through the installation process. Once you're done installing the application, click it open. Select any particular Snapchat filters you'd like to use. Now, also open up a web browser and go to omegle.com. Press enter on your keyboard, and from the official website, select the video option. In the pop-up, click on both of the boxes and click on Confirm and Continue. Also, open up Settings on your Windows. In the search box, type in Camera and select Change the default setting for your camera. Make sure that you've enabled the Snap Camera option under Connected Cameras. Now, once you open up Omegle.com, click on the camera icon at the top right and click on Manage. Scroll down and click on Camera. At the top, click on the drop down and select Snap Camera option. Now, go back to your Omegle site and refresh the page once. Go back to your video chat by clicking on Video, click on the boxes again, and click on Confirm and Continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to apply the filter from your Snapchat to Omegle. That is how you can easily add filters on Omegle. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.